A legally road-registered stretch test vehicle that had been buried for 15 years is finally about to be brought back to life. During inspection, we found the paint cracked and flaking, the chrome parts turning black, the entire chassis rusted, and the rosewood interior dried out and split. What surprised me even more was that this vintage body had been stuffed with modern high-tech gadgets. Is this a clever combination of experience or a complete disaster waiting to happen? So from this, and this, we turned it into this and then this. All right, let's start tearing it down. We removed the rosewood trim and the chrome parts for refurbishment. Huige and Biauge were tearing down the interior until their heads were spinning. It was that much work. Next, we moved on to disassembling the chassis. The technicians are carefully inspecting everything. The chassis was completely stripped and every single bolt was refurbished. Revealing a cold gaze as the soldiers attack the platform.
After the dry ice cleaning, we continued with high-pressure water cleaning.
After spraying on the protective armor coating, fate moves like the wind, fierce and unstoppable. The plated components were restored, especially through detailed sanding. But during spraying, the mist came out weak and lacked pressure. We continued sanding the finer details. The engine bay was sanded down as well. Then we removed the fenders, cleaned the body, and prepped it for paint. Painting begins now.
we sprayed on the Parrot Clear Coat. Do you know why we sanded it? Because we're using a double coat, double spray process. Then we applied another layer of Parrot Clear Coat. The finish turned out as smooth as a mirror. Meanwhile, the chassis cleaning continued.
For the rusted parts, we used laser rust removal. The machine was cleaned using dry ice. This is the final result after everything was completed. The bolts and chrome parts refurbished and the chassis reassembled. This is the chassis after installation. The interior was treated for soundproofing and deodorizing, which required scraping everything clean. The technicians worked 3 full days and nights, producing a bag of debris so heavy it couldn't even be lifted. This is the finished result. We applied 3 layers of Big White Shark 5.0 gold soundproofing. The interior rosewood trim and chrome parts were installed.
The parking sensors were installed.
Maybe you don't quite understand. This is a 30-plus-year-old Phoenix Century Stretch Edition. It hadn't run for 15 years. Why bother bringing it back? Parts are nearly impossible to find. It's just an old, fuel-powered car. But you can't deny it. The moment you step on the gas, thousands of parts start moving together, breathing life into the car. One day, we'll all grow old. But as long as wrinkles don't form on our hearts, we'll stay forever young, in our prime and full of vitality.